Hey guys, welcome back to another ZPolt unboxing, and today we're going to take a look at the NX7 Pro. So the NX7, before I already reviewed it, but I didn't really like it, but maybe the NX7 Pro is different now. This more expensive brother. This is around $100, so the previous NX7 is around $60, so definitely this is more expensive. Of course, you're getting the kind of similar look compared to what you get before in-ear earphone. It says NX7 Pro in-ear, 0.78, a 2-pin connector, CNC aluminum alloy, environmental friendly PC, 16 cores of pure copper. Nice. That yeah, this might be the first of 16 cores cable that I'm gonna unbox here in the channel. 1.2 cable, silver, red, and blue replaceable face panel. Wow, nice. You get a lot of stuff inside actually. So 58 ohm impedance, so pretty easy to drive. Driver unit is 4BA 10mm composite dual CNT dynamic driver, 7 layers piezoelectric ceramics driver, so 7 drivers per side with that piezo, and really nice setup overall. So opening it up, are you ready for the unboxing experience, guys? So let's do it now. Oh, wrong one, maybe this one. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3, there you go. So NiceHCK accessories, and of course you're getting that NX7. Wow, that's pretty glossy in terms of the color. The previous NX7 that I had is not that glossy, kind of aluminum color. Of course, let's check out the accessories first. Gold color, which is really cool. In terms of what's inside, wow, you're getting different kind of color in terms of the case, and it's a kind of a cloth kind of case. NiceHCK. And inside, yeah, this is different from your usual Chi-Fi in terms of the overall case, hard case also. Inside, wow, this is definitely different looking in terms of the overall cable. Look at that, guys, and looks pretty soft also. We're gonna go with that later. That is really cool. And inside, of course, you get additional sets of tips, which is really cool. And here you're getting tips again. So let's open up the tips, so for us to be able to see what kind of tips is inside here. So yeah, NiceHCK really does a lot of good stuff. Like before in the NiceHCK DB3, it's our $20 recommendation, but they're not really that okay in terms of the overall branding, the finishing. Thin audio is still better compared to NiceHCK on that, but this may be different. Look at that. You have a similar looking tip, silicone tip here. And of course, you're getting additional sets of tips. So you have several options for your tips, which is of course something that we really like. Of course, you get that silicone tip. There you go. So 2 sets of tips. And of course, you're getting that faceplate, guys. Look at this. Wow, this is different compared to your usual package again. That is the additional stuff that you're getting NX7. So you're getting that Voltes 5 red. You're getting some filters, which is cool. Can replace them, but the filters look similar from the looks of it. And of course, here at this side, you're getting NX7 again, and a nice and blue teal kind of color. And you're getting additional screws if you lose it. Of course, teal also really cool that you have, you know, this kind of interchangeable stuff, so you can change things up a bit if you like that in your life. Of course, looking at the cable now, cable wise, look at that, guys. That looks really glorious. The 16 core, goodness. Look, and also very soft. This might be even softer compared to my Yinyu 8 core, which is very impressive. So this might be the candidate now for one of the best multi-core cables now in the channel. And look at this, you get a really big chunky plug, gold plated, reinforced. And this side, you're getting that kind of KZ-ish kind of look, and with that stable kind of 2-pin connector. So really weighty also, definitely a nice cable overall. One of the better ones, the best in the NiceHCK that ever put in a box, of course. And inside, of course, you do get some additional stuff. You get some manuals, of course. All right, nobody reads the manuals. And you're getting an organizer, which is cool. You're also getting a screwdriver. That's nice. You can, you know, put a lot of stuff in the box. So let's take a look at the lobe now. So pretty cool so far. I'm kind of impressed with the overall package so far. And let's look at the lobes now. And ooh, wow, this is a see-through kind of lobe. Look at this, guys. And it's also pretty thin. Surprisingly thin, actually. So look at that, guys. Look at how thin that is. So this will sit flush on your ear. This is a multi-driver system, but looks pretty thin overall. Look at that, guys. So also you get that steel faceplate, which is really cool. For me, frankly, I do prefer the stainless steel one, the bare one over the blue and the red one. But of course, let me know, guys, what you prefer down in the comments below. And you're getting that kind of course, screwdriver, Gundam kind of look with that NX7 logo. Of course, at the other side, really nice plastic overall, and see-through also. But the quality is really good in terms of the plastic quality. And of course, you're getting the tips. And of course, in terms of the overall shape, it does go inside your ear. So pretty cool overall. So it does go inside your ear, so pretty cool overall in terms of the overall shape. Right, so let's take a look at it now, and I'm gonna have, of course, an initial listen. Of course, left and right as well. So putting it in is very easy, and the other side also very easy. And we're gonna have an initial listen, of course, with my HiBi R3 and our current demo unit for this channel. Course, and yeah, I think I got it the other way around. Right, so let's put it in the right spot, guys. So it's very hard to see it because I'm looking through the iPhone. Though easier for me to take a video of stuff usually because, you know, I'm looking through something compared to when I'm doing the usual videos here in this channel. It's harder to tinker around stuff because you just see your face, right? So of course we're gonna listen to it, our initial impressions on the listen, our first impressions actually. So maybe some DGM. Wow, there's a lot of micro details, so definitely that piezo driver is shining here. And a boomy bass at the bottom also, and prominent in the mix, but definitely a lot of detail, yes. How about some pop music? And very airy sound also, quite airy sound. Vocals are forward in the mix. Definitely kind of a U-shaped sound, but definitely vocals are not that recessed. It's forward in the mix. Revealing sound also, and lots of detail. How about some Linkin Park? Wow, lots of micro detail in the distorted guitar parts. And definitely visceral kind of sound with that DA. And that bass at the bottom definitely is prominent in the mix. Big stage also. Lively sounding and airy sound as well. How about some Eric Clapton, guys? Yeah, big stage. And a nice imaging also. And definitely this is has a lot of extension on top also. Right, so that is our initial listen. So wow, right off the bat, I do like this better compared to the previous NX7, I think. But of course, I'm gonna confirm that when I do the full review because yeah, this one has more forward mids compared to the previous one. And it's more fuller in terms of the overall sound and also more revealing. I find that the NX7 before is a touch veiled in terms of the mids department. This one is better. Vocals is really good and rich. So wow, yeah, pretty impressed so far. But of course, I'm gonna do a full review of this, of course, in zpoltunboxing channel. But currently, yeah, I do like the overall package. You know, there's a lot of stuff in the box. Really cool cable also, and that interchangeable faceplate. I think, yeah, like NiceHCK put everything under the sink. put it in here. So they put all their cards here, a lot of stuff in the box. So definitely really cool package so far. Of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. What do you want to know about the NX7 Pro? Let me know down in the comments below also. And of course, if you want more content like this, subscribe for more content like this here in the channel. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.